We are working with 10 schools directly where we have centers of excellence. We established some smart farms, and in all those schools we are working with the government to do some tree planting and tree growing. What we realized, especially at schools, the trees that are planted survival rates are really very high. They are doing very well. So we have so far worked with 10 schools. Encourage. So in total, since the beginning of the program, in these two counties, we have reached, as rainforest house, we have reached 89. In this season, we are now doing 10 hectares. We are doing 10 hectares. And then we are also focusing on the total for the year. At least 20 hectares should be rehabilitated by the end of this year. We are happy to mark this International Day of Forest together with our government, the national government led by the county commissioner, and also the conservator of forest here. Here in this castle forest, in this Kangaita forest today, we were able to plant 5,000 trees, and that's equivalent to rehabilitation of 5 hectares. One of our key pillars in the Rainforest Alliance is to make sure that we grow trees and also we take care of our environment. We want to live in harmony with our environment. Therefore, that's why we are, as Rainforest Alliance, we are partnering with the government, both national and the county government, to ensure that we plant trees and rehabilitate the degraded sites. And then in the next site, which is a primary school, with the other stakeholders, and we are happy to do this. Not only in this county, we are commemorating the same in the neighboring county of Embu, where our other team have been dispatched to also do the same. Thank you very much for being with us. Let's take care of our environment, because the environment will eventually take care of us.
No more than tokire kuhanda miti, ndio muthi ni muthenya wa International Forest Day. Na koguo tukire gukungwira o toria thi ngima irakungwira muthenya wa umuthi, koguo na ithuĩ nĩ tukire gwika ũguo na twambĩrĩria na kuhanda miti thiini wa mutitu wa Mount Kenya.